In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search in Asana. If you've ever struggled to find a specific task, message, or file inside a busy workspace, this guide will help you take full control of Asana's search tools. When you're managing multiple projects with countless tasks, knowing how to quickly locate exactly what you need can save a huge amount of time and effort. Let's start at the top of your screen, where you'll find the search bar. This is your starting point for finding anything within Asana. You can begin by typing a simple keyword, such as the name of a task. As you type, results will appear instantly, helping you locate items without digging through projects manually. However, when you need something more specific, you can refine your search further. Instead of relying on a basic keyword, you can choose what type of item you're looking for. This could be a task, a project, a person, a portfolio, or even a goal. You can also search for messages, conversations, tags, or templates, depending on what you're trying to locate. To unlock more precise options, move into the advanced search feature. This is where you can narrow down your results using detailed filters. You can decide whether to include subtasks, milestones, or approval items, depending on the level of detail you need. You can also define where the search should take place. If you want to search across your entire workspace, you can do that, or you can limit the scope to a specific project for faster results. From there, you can filter by task status, whether something is completed, incomplete, or even previously removed but still accessible in your account. Another powerful option is filtering by assignment. You can specify who is responsible for a task, which is especially helpful when working in a team environment. You can also narrow results by due dates to focus on tasks within a certain time frame. For even more control, you can apply additional filters such as collaborators, dependencies, custom fields, and attachments. You can also sort by different date types, including when a task was created, updated, started, or completed. Tags and user involvement can also be used to refine your search further. By combining these filters, you can significantly reduce the number of results and quickly pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. In many cases, you'll narrow it down to just a few items, making it much easier to find the right one. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.